Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of m if we have m minus 1 divided by m is equals to 3 and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method, and in the first method you see here this m is divided by left hand side. So we move this m to the right hand side and it will be written as m minus 1 equals to this m is multiplied by 3 and it will becomes 3 times of m. And now here further in the next step, we need to move both of these two values from left hand side to the right hand side. We will get here, or in other words, we just move only variable term to the right hand side. So this is positive m. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative m, and here we get only minus 1. Okay. So here you see that in the right hand side we need to add or subtract the like terms, so that we have this is 3m minus m, and 3m minus m becomes 2m. And now here further in the next step, we need to solve this problem for the values of m, so that's why we need to remove this 2 from right hand side. So when we divide when we remove it by 2, so in order to remove this 2 we divide by 2 on both of the sides. Okay, so here we write it as minus 1 over 2, and this time is also write it by 2m divided by 2. Now you see here in the right hand side this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get here minus 1 over 2 is equals to m. So in the first method we will get here this is the only one root of the given equation, and further in the next step we need to verify that is this value of m is satisfied our given question statement or not, or in other words we just verify that is this value of m be the solution or is this value of m be the extraneous root. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m minus 1 divided by m is equals to 3, and here we verify the value of m, so that we substitute the value of m equals to minus 1 over 2 into the left hand side, and it will be written as minus 1 over 2 minus 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 3 or not. So this is the our verification, and now here you see that this minus 1 over 2 be the fraction over fraction, so that this will be move upward and it will be written as into the reciprocal form. So we have this is minus 1 over 2 minus 1. This is the our numerator term, and this term is written by minus 2 divided by 1. Okay, and this is equals to 3 or not. This is the our claim. And now here we need to multiply this minus 2 on both of these two values, and when you multiply this minus 2 by here it will be written as minus 1 over 2 multiplied by minus 2, and when you multiply it here it will becomes minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, and here we check that is this equals to 3 or not. Here you see that this term and this term are cancelled out by each other, and this is minus times minus becomes plus 1, and this is also minus times minus becomes plus 1, and 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2 equals to 3. And here you clearly see that 3 is equals to 3. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of m is equals to minus 1 over 2 is satisfied our given question statement, so that the solution set of this question is m equals to minus 1 over 2. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer of our first method. And now we move towards our second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is m minus 1 divided by m is equals to 3. So here we use another quick method to find the roots of this equation. So here in this method we need to break this fraction, and it will be written as m divided by m minus 1 divided by m is equals to 3. And now you see here, this m and this m are cancelled out by each other, and here we get 1 only. Minus 1 over m is equals to 3. And now here in the next step, we need to move this minus 1 over m to the right hand side, and we move this 3 to the left hand side, and it will be written as 1 minus 3 is equals to, this is minus 1 over m. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus 1 over m. So here we get 1 minus 3 becomes minus 2 is equals to 1 over m. And because here our target is to find the values of m, so that's why we need to interchange these two values. So we move minus 2 in the place of m, and we move m in the place of minus 2. After interchanging these two values, we will get here m is equals to minus 1 over 2. So this is the one root which we get here in the second method. But in the first method, you see that we already verified that this value of m is satisfied our given question statement. So it means that the solution set of this question is m equals to minus 1 over 2. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.